So now we can do an example of decryption with Atbash. And the funny thing is, decryption with Atbash is exactly the same as encryption with Atbash. So if you get the message XLNVSVIV and you want to know what it said originally, we're going to do the same process that we did before. We are going to first go letter by letter and go to the table that we created. And the table might look a little bit different. Get X. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to say in this alphabet snaked around itself, what was the row or column corresponding to X? And I look and I say, okay, the other letter in X was C. And so because of that, I see that X decrypts to C. So my first insertion here is that X gets replaced by C. So I have C as the first letter in my message. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go over to L. And I'm going to go back to my table, and I see that L was in the same column as O. So that means that in this case, L decrypts to O. And if I go and look at the letter N, I go back to my table, I say that N corresponds to M. And if I keep doing this, I'm going to give you a moment to finish doing. I would encourage you right now to pause the video and work through it yourself. So hopefully you did pause the video and work through it yourself. And if you did, the message that you should get as the decrypted message would be come here.